This way, isn't it?
They didn't get that first try.
Well, my head's cold because it's uncovered. Anyways, enough about me as things heat up for this grand final. Just a recap, it's 3-2 to Spaz Seagulls. Let's see what happens at the end. Oh, off the chest. Jeez. Someone's running onto it. That's 2. Someone's giving them a bit of a pep talk here because they're coming out hard. Oh, play on. It's 3rd over the halfway line now. Oh, just held on to that. 4. Probably go left. Yep. Oh, nice pass. It's last now though. Spaz Seagulls defending well, and he's just booted it to the corner looking for space. It's a good kick.
Come on, man.
Oh, X straight away from the power couple. Jess wants it again. Gives it off. Bit of playmaking from Jess. As they go left again. Speaking of power couples, eventually gets tagged. T sweeps around. She'll get meters. She'll get more than meters. It's last now. Someone's offside. No, it's last now. Sorry. Jumped the gun there. Sorry about that. And that was last. I don't think Spaz Seagulls knew that. Yellow. Bit of space. Out to this side here. I don't know if they have spotted that, but it's an option for yellow. Greg doing a lot of talking. Needs to move while he talks as well. Put the pressure on, and he's drawn an error. And it's a quick restart. T making them work in the fence. Nails. Arcing in. Gregory on the run. X wide. Nicely done. Nicely caught. Greg playing around with the rock area. Great defense from both teams, not falling for anything. Jess busy again. Getting a lot of touches in this second half. Oh, pass was floating. And Alex has gone for that hard run again, but he's disappointed with how good they've been defending him. That's 2s from yellow. Oh, bit of speed here, and he's burnt them. Can Greg get there? No, he can't. But he's forced it to a boy try, and it's 3-all. It's tight. It's palpable. Good game, isn't it, Phil?
Yes. 16-2.
Oh, yeah, and this one as well. All right.
Commentator, man.
Good kick here. Bit of technique in that. Watch the bounce. Nicely trapped. And an early spread to Michael. T. She's gonna go herself. Gets caught though. Running onto it here. Just needs a little bit of support. Anna was there though. Des, can he get it back in? Yes, he can.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right, Miss Lee. Oh, left foot kick from Des Lou. And luckily it's been called tag first because that looked a little bit dodgy. There's still space there if they want to go there. The fakery. Oh, and he's dipped through and he's scored. We got a tag, but I think ball's down first. And the ref lets us know for free as Yellow's crowd gets loud. Spaz with some tactical substitutions now. Hey?
Tedesco's out. Concussion.
Oh, scared me. I thought like ACL or something. Greg, he wouldn't kick on 0.
I thought he was gonna.
Yeah.
I thought I saw it.
The higher the elbows, the more chances of a kick. Ooh. Nicely done from Do to Lou. There's that Des connection. Ref laying down the law. Oh, unlucky Anna.
Pick it up.
Yellow just not waiting, just playing as quickly as they can. And they got a fresh set here. Going wide now. Oh, Des with the chase. Cuts it out to the middle. X keeps it alive. Hot potato. Oh, ball's just kind of, and his play on here, it's gone backwards. Yes, good call.
Let's go!
Both teams with a few errors now. Lou! Tricky, tricky!
On the right!
I think he'll just score himself, and he does. Second try tonight. He's got the brace. It's 4-all.
Oi! One leg! One leg! Half my multi. One leg to go.
We had some bets on him, apparently.
Oh!
Very short odds.
The fullback makes
Great work. Let's get that Hattie. Let's get that Hattie. Des just kind of slowing it down a bit now.
Let's go, Bays! Let's go!
Greg being the cheerleader in the team. Jess leading the charge. Ben misses, but his misses gets it. Big man.
Yes! Good tag!
Spaz crowd getting loud now. Oh, and he's gone himself again. Ben will chase him down. He's got the legs. Yes, he's just gotten there. Oh, they spread it now. All the space out there. Oh, watch out. And the pressure from Du
Nice Dudu!
causes an error.
Big play!
Bit offside, no?
Yeah, Burner!
T! She's through! She's through! All the way! No one's gonna catch her! Straight to the park! And we got an important 2-pointer. Huge try! Huge try! Yeah, Greg's calling it. He's got the assist apparently.
6-4, wow, one more.
Oh.
Ben! We want Ben!
Body language has changed now.
No shot.
Oh, not the short kick. Was that... Why? Why? I don't know about that choice. You're leading. Literally no reason to do that. I'm sorry folks, but I gotta be vocal about that one. That was a bit how you going.
Of the 10 years of playing this game, 3%.
I wouldn't be surprised if Yellow score here. You just get that feeling. Oh, and he's spun. There's making sure that he doesn't fuck up. Oh, does it again. They're targeting him. Oh, wow. not tag first. Ref's got his hand up in the air.
Nice tag, nice tag.
There's playing for his life here. Another one from Gregory. And it's turnover. That was 6.
One.
Oh, Ben, right foot again. And he's still going. They're all diving over each other. Eventually he gets caught.
Just run.
Putting on the jet boots here.
Run.
Oh, nice support. Drawn pass, overs. No. Good tag from 7. Oh, Greg.
Yeah. Right.
Desmond looking for that sub.
7 minutes, guys. Work hard.
And it's last.
Where's the kick?
How's the end to the set?
Kick.
Oh, puts the cheeky kick in. And he's... Oh, God. Oh, no. I don't know if he's dramatizing or he's legit.
Rib.
R.I.P. Rib. And we've even got the... Is that the Billy Harrigan checking up on him?
Hey, Neymar, get up!
Neymar, they're calling him.
Oh, he's still playing.
Kicking team cannot dive in any circumstance, even if it looked like he broke a rib. Suddenly he's fine.